Okay, this particular problem is about what the parabola, it talks about a parabola, which is technically 10th grade, but the parabola isn't the important part of the problem. It wants to know the height of the toy plane with respect to amount of time after takeoff. Okay, and then it wants to know during which interval was the plane flying the fastest. Okay, and so you'll notice it's whole number intervals. Here's all you have to do within a particular interval. So like from 0 to 1, count the slope. It started here and ended there. That's up 2 over 1, so that has a slope of 2. Okay, the larger the slope, the faster it's moving. From 1 to 2, up 1 over 1, so it only had a slope of 1 there, so it wasn't going quite as fast. From 1 to 3, it goes up about, I don't know, maybe 5, 6 tenths. Okay, so up 6 tenths over 1, so that would be a slope of 6 tenths, I guess. Then it goes to this interval right here. Between 3 and 4, it goes up maybe a third and over 1, so that's about a third. Then from here to here, it looks like it goes down a third. Then, let's see, from 5 to 6, it looks like it goes down about that 6 tenths amount again. Okay, and then what am I using after? Okay, after blue, I'm going to red. Here it goes, wait, going back, hold on, left something off. That's negative because it's going downhill. All right, and then from here to here, it's going about down 1 over 1, so that's a slope of -1. And lastly, in the very last interval from, I'm supposed to be using green, from here to here, I go down 2 over 1, so that's a slope of -2. All right. Interestingly, how fast, speed in terms of how fast, it doesn't matter whether it's negative or positive. So just speed as a general idea, these two, so that one and that one, they're going the same speed as far as gaining or losing height. It just happens that one of them's going up and the other's going down. But they're going the same speed. If it said velocity, it would be different because velocity means speed plus direction. But in this case, those two are the same. So it's either 0 to 1 or 7 to 8, and I'm hoping that it doesn't have both. It doesn't, so among the selections, the largest number happens there, and also 7 to 8, but thankfully that wasn't one of the answers. So that's your answer. Okay, so what you're doing is just interpreting speed from a graph, which means your redemption problem, and let's take a look at that. It's very similar. Here you go. You're looking at population change over time from 1960 to 2000, and it wants to know when does it grow the fastest. So using some of the same ideas, take a look at that, check and see if you can get it right, and see what your teacher says.